What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove audio output devices in Windows 11. Whether you want to streamline your list of audio devices or troubleshoot audio issues, this guide will walk you through the process. First, you need to access the sound settings. Click on the Start menu and then click on the settings icon to open the Windows settings. Alternatively, you can use the Windows key and I shortcut to open the settings directly. Once the settings window is open, navigate to System and then click on Sound from the left-hand sidebar. In the sound settings, you will see a section titled Output. This section lists all the audio output devices currently connected to your system. To manage these devices, scroll down and click on All Sound Devices under the Advanced section. This will open a new window where you can see a detailed list of all input and output devices. In the All Sound Devices window, locate the audio output device you want to remove or disable. Click on a device name to open its properties. In the device properties, you will find an option to disable the device. Click on Don't Allow to disable the selected audio output device. Disabling the device will prevent it from being used without removing it completely from your system. If you want to completely remove the audio output device, you will need to uninstall its driver. To do this, open a Device Manager. You can access the Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager from the context menu. In the Device Manager window, expand the Sound, Video and Game Controller section to see a list of all audio devices. Right-click on the audio output device you want to remove and select Uninstall Device. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you want to delete the driver software for this device. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device and click Uninstall. This will remove the device and its driver from your system. Sometimes, audio output devices that you have previously used might still be listed as hidden devices in the Device Manager. To check for hidden devices, click on the View menu in the Device Manager and select Show Hidden Devices. This will display all devices, including those that are not currently connected. Look for any grayed out devices under the Sound, Video and Game Controller section. Right-click on any unwanted hidden devices and select Uninstall Device to remove them from your system. After you disabled or uninstalled the audio output devices, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Restarting your computer will ensure that all changes take effect and that your system is running smoothly with the updated audio device settings. If you need to re-enable a disabled audio output device, go back to the Windows Sound settings. Scroll down and select More Sound Settings. In your Sound Control panel, head to the Playback section. Right-click the disabled device and select Enable. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.